Welcome travelers to this new video. Today I'm gonna fly from Copenhagen to Munich on board the Scandinavian Airlines Airbus A320. I just deboarded my flight from Hamburg to Copenhagen and I'm now heading for my connecting flight to Munich. Security check is upstairs, so let's go to the gate. I booked this flight from Hamburg via Copenhagen to Munich for around 90 euros. A direct flight from Hamburg to Munich would have cost me more than 150 euros. I just passed security check and the duty-free area. Copenhagen airport is quite big and you will find several shops of popular brands there. I'm on my way to the gate, but I have to walk a little bit further because parts of the airport are being renovated. However, boarding starts soon, so let's get on board.
Seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment.
So here I am at my seat 9A, from which you have a nice engine view. The crew handed out a disinfection wipe, but I have to tell you that the tray table wasn't clean at all. As the jet bridge is disconnecting, we are starting our journey to Munich. The legroom on this aircraft is very good. Each seat contains a little storage area. You can even charge your phone by using one of the USB ports. The seat pocket in front of me contains a safety card, a menu card, and a waste bag with information about the Wi-Fi on it. Shortly after departure, the crew served a complimentary tea or coffee with some milk and sugar. You can enjoy some impressions of the flight before I show you the Wi-Fi service. There is complimentary Wi-Fi on this flight. You can even have a look at the menu. You can choose between some beverages, as well as alcoholic drinks, snacks and much more. That's it for the Wi-Fi service, as we soon start our descent into Munich.
Damer og herrer, vi kan så byde velkommen til München. Af sikkerhedsmæssige hensyn bedes du beholde sikkerhedsvægt fastspændt, holdes du både og bordet i loddet position, samt luftveje for al håndbagage indtil skiltene sikkerhedsvæltet er slukket. Vi skal også bede om at være forsigtige, når du åbner bagagen, så bagagen ikke falder ud. Og inden du forlader flyet her i München, kontroller venligst, at du ikke efterlader personlige ejendele ombord. På vej ud af flyet skal du være opmærksom på en niveauforskel mellem flyet og broen. Og så gør vi samtidig opmærksom på, at rygning først er tilladt i et klart lavmændet rygeområde. Vi håber, du har haft en behagelig flyvning med os i SAS og Airlines, og indtil vi ses.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you, bye.
This was my flight with SAS from Copenhagen to Munich, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.